by consensus continues to be a central tenet of ASEAN. This does not mean, however, that ASEAN should remain silent over developments in member states that affect the wider region, or particularly egregious violations of the ASEAN Charter by its own members. In all honesty, I believe that non-interference is not a license for indifference. Indeed, Wittgenstein, regarded by many as the greatest philosopher of the 20th century, as far as the West is concerned, reminds us that whereof one cannot speak, thereof one must be silent. But that's because words have power greater than the destructive and hateful actions of a few. Yet, if left unwritten and unread, then we are all in a lot of trouble. In the pursuit of justice, let us therefore celebrate our differences and praise our national unities. Let us look beyond our divergence and amplify our commonalities so that we can stand as cooperative partners working towards the betterment of all our people in a just and peaceful world. Hence, cooperation and collaboration across the board in all crucial matters that bind us as a social, multilateral, multicultural, and diverse regional grouping must be the way forward for ASEAN.